Hi, my name is Frederick Santos. I am working in a restaurant with my family. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I am 42 years old. My favorite sport is cycling. I love my bike. I like to read. I like with my family, my wife and my two sons. I study industrial engineering. I see no much TV. I am talking about my daily routine. I get up at 50 past 4. I take a shower, then wear my clothes. I make breakfast for my son. We go out at 6 o'clock. Our sons go to school. My wife and me go at work. I always go to work by terminal. I arrive at 7 o'clock. I work for 9 hours. I always bring a cup of coffee with me. Then eat breakfast. I lunch at 12 o'clock. I take the bus, go back home at 4 o'clock. We meet with my family and talk about orders. Our sons go to bed at 8 o'clock. I miss study for 3 or 4 hours. I am very sad. I go to my bedroom at 11 or 12 p.m. I need to sleep. I have to sleep. Bye.